Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on business case analysis, or what I call a BCA. What is a business case analysis? A business case analysis provides a best value analysis that considers not only cost but other quantifiable and non-quantifiable factors supporting an investment decision. This can include, but is not limited to, performance, producibility, reliability, maintainability, and supportability enhancements. The definition of a business case analysis is a program management tool used to evaluate potential business decisions for best value determination. What is the purpose of a business case analysis? The purpose of a business case analysis is to assist in refining the countless number of decisions that go into determining the best value strategy. It follows an iterative process, conducted and updated as needed throughout the life cycle as program plans evolve and react to changes in the business and mission environment. What is the business case analysis used for? A business case analysis is used for the following. Is used in the initial decision to invest in a project. Guides the decision to select among alternative approaches. Is used to validate any proposed scope, schedule, or budget changes during the course of the project. Should also be used to identify the various budget accounts and amounts affected by the various product support strategies. Should be a living document as project or organization changes occur. They should be reflected in updates to the business case. Should be used to validate that planned benefits are realized at the completion of the project. And finally, makes the team consider all of the costs, risks, and benefits of making a decision. What content should be included in a business case analysis? As a minimum, a business case analysis should include executive summary, an overview of the business case analysis. Introduction, an introduction that defines what the case is about, the subject, and why, its purpose, it is necessary. The introduction presents the objectives addressed by the subject of the case. Methods and assumptions, state the analysis methods and rationale that fixes the boundaries of the case, whose costs and whose benefits examined over what time period. This section outlines the rules for deciding what belongs in the case and what does not, along with the important assumptions. Impacts. The business impacts are the financial and non-financial business impacts expected in one or more scenarios. Risk assessment. Show how results depend on important assumptions, what if, as well as the likelihood for other results to surface. And finally, conclusions and recommendations, specific actions based on business objectives and the results of the analysis. Thank you for watching this tutorial on business case analysis. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations of finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.